All right, go. Oh my gosh, David! Allie, that was incredible!
You burped it.
Can you turn around and go back to Daddy?
Okay.
Here she goes.
I'm coming to you.
Then wait a second, let her get out of the way.
Allie, very proud of you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Move, Lily. Keep going. Wait, let Lily get out of the way.
Take a water while I play.
Okay.
Now I'm ready.
All right, I'm ready too.
We're ready. Go.
Okay, you get a drink of water. Look at that.
That's incredible, David. She's doing awesome.
Yay!
Good job.
Oh,
Yay, Allie.
very
Say
good.
ta-da. Let me see you. Ta-da. Good job, Bug. I'm proud of you.